Welcome back, students. In previous lecture we are study what is a correlation and the types of a correlation. In this lecture we are going to see coefficient of a correlation and the methods of studying correlation. Let's see what is a coefficient correlation. Correlation coefficient is a statistical measure of a strength of a relationship between the relative movement of a two variable. Coefficient correlation, it is nothing but the measure of strength and the relative relationship between the two variable. The value of a ranges from the minus 1.0 to the plus 1.0. It is calculated is greater than the 1.0 and the less than the 1.0. It means was the error in a correlation measurement. Simply, if there is a more than 1.0 and the less than minus 1.0, that means our calculation will be error. The correlation minus 1.0 that show the perfect negative, while 1.0 that is a perfect positive correlation. Correlation 0 show the linear relationship between the two variable. There are definition are given. Correlation refers to the technique used to measure the relationship between the two or more variable. Correlation coefficient is a statistical measure degree to which changes the value of one variable and predict the changes to the value of another variable. That means measure the strength of a relationship between the more than two variables. Correlation can only indicate the presence and absence of a relationship, but not the nature of a relationship. Correlation is not a causation. Correlation coefficient formula overview that I have explained in a positive and a negative. Let's see positive correlation and the negative correlation. When we get a graph of a right hand side, that is positive, and the left hand side of that is a negative, and there is a no graph, no line going to pass there, that is known as a no relation. Then properties of a coefficient correlation. Coefficient of correlation is lies between minus 1 to the plus 1. Okay, the coefficient correlation, it is an independent change of a scale and the origin of a variable. Let's remember this property that can be asked in a exam, either 1 mark or for the 5 marks. The coefficient of correlation is the geometric mean. Coefficient of correlation is a geometric mean of a two regression, that is r is equal to bxy into byx. Okay, coefficient correlation, it is a geometric mean of a two regression, that is r is equal to square root of a bxy into byx. The degree of relationship between two variable is symmetrically rxy and ryx. Method of studying correlation, that is a scatter method and the Karl Pearson coefficient method. Let's see scatter method. What is scatter method? In graphical representation, in third chapter, representation of data, diagrammatic representation and the graphical representation, one types are there: scatter diagram or the scatter graphical representation. When diagram are drawn with the help of dots, and that dots is known as a scatter diagram. Same scatter diagram device is decide two relative variable are plotted on a x and y variable are correlated and a give a dot. That diagram is known as a dot diagram. There are given positive, negative and the no correlation. Karl Pearson coefficient. that are the scientists study the correlation and determine the formula rxy is equal to summation of rxy divided by square root of summation of x square into summation of y square. Let's see, calculate the Karl Pearson coefficient of the following data: year, index production, and the number of unemployed. Let's see our what is the formula of Karl Pearson coefficient. We have to rxy, x it is the first variable and y is the second variable. First we have calculate xy, then summation of x square, then summation of y square. Let's see, first x, then we have calculate the x, that means mean. Another x means capital X bar, that is we have calculate mean of each data x and a y variable. Then we have multiplying, then we have multiplying x and y, then we have square of x and y square, and we have make a calculation and put in a formula and we get a answer. For example, for the one variable we have calculate 3 unit. First mean, then x square, okay, then y square, and then finally xy. Multiplication, that means xy, it is nothing but the mean of a variable. Let us see what is the mean. Mean is the 104, that are going to subtract coefficient of a determination, interpreting the value of a coefficient correlation between the two variable to use to square of a coefficient of a correlation, which is called as a coefficient of a determination, that is a r square. Explain variation by a total variance. And the next concept, that is a regression, we are going to see in a next lecture. Thank you.